In a hungry village, Lavinia and Jonah are rivals fighting for resources. As their rivalry grows, the village faces a tough future. Can they come together? A wise elder says teamwork is the key to survival. Will Lavinia and Jonah agree? Lavinia buys seeds, and Jonah shares his farming tips. Together they start to grow food. As their garden blooms, so does their friendship. They turn rivalry into teamwork. The harvest brings happiness. Lavinia and Jonah learn that friendship is the real treasure. Their story shows the village that working together helps everyone succeed.